They're really hungry, so they're excitedly simming around. Be nice to each other. That one's unique looking. Oh, where'd he go? They're really jolting around. The second lotus is getting up there in size, gonna bloom soon. It's sad how short-lived they are. They don't last very long. But very pretty either way. Same with the water lily. There's another one coming, but that one was only up for like a couple days. Yeah, all doing good. They're chewing now. That's why they stopped coming up. They're chewing. I'll put a couple more foods in there. Or the giant goldfish coming to eat. Oh, I scared him. Okay, bye.